2003 Hurco VM1. It's a warm-up cycle. It's a 26 by 14 by 18 travel, Cat 40, 8,000 RPM, 16 position tool changer. Thousand RPM in reverse right now. Now it's running 3,000 clockwise. This is just a warm-up cycle. Has Renishaw TS27R tool probe, interface with probe, rigid tapping, 64 megabytes of RAM, 2 gig hard drive. ...2003 Hurco VM1. Got a small program going, operation. This is a 26 by 14 by 18 travel, Cat 40, 8,000 RPM, 15 horsepower, 16 position tool changer. It comes with a Renishaw TS27R tool probe. Machine has rigid tapping, 64 megabyte RAM, 2 gig hard drive. We only have it going up to 3,000 RPM. We have it blocked up on wood. Inside the control cabinet looks very clean. This is 3,000 RPM right there. Also have the rapids down a little bit because of it being blocked up on wood. the 2003 Hurco VM1. I'm going to do a tool change now.